In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update FaceTime on your iPhone. Keeping your apps and operating system updated is essential for ensuring you have the latest features and fixes, and today we'll specifically focus on FaceTime. Whether you're connecting with loved ones or participating in virtual meetings, updating FaceTime ensures you have the best possible experience. First things first, let's begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. The Settings app is represented by a gear icon and is your gateway to managing your iPhone's preferences and updates. Once you've opened Settings, you'll find a number of options, but what we're interested in is the General section. So, tap on General, and you'll see an option for Software Update. This is where you'll check if there's a new version of iOS available, which often includes updates to features like FaceTime. Go ahead and tap on Software Update. Your iPhone will start checking for available updates. This process might take a moment as your device is reaching out to Apple's servers to make sure you have the most recent information. If an update is available, you'll notice a new screen showing you the details of the update. Here, you'll want to tap on Download and Install. This is a crucial step because it initiates the update process. Updates often bring new features, enhanced security, and bug fixes, so it's a good idea to keep your system current. By downloading and installing the latest iOS update, you ensure that FaceTime, along with other built-in apps, is up to date. After you've tapped download and install, you might be asked to enter your passcode. This is your normal device passcode, and entering it gives permission for the update to proceed. Additionally, you'll be prompted to agree to Apple's terms and conditions. Make sure you scroll through and understand what you're agreeing to before you tap the agree button. Now, it's time to wait while the update downloads and installs. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the update. It's a great time to sit back and relax, but remember to keep your device plugged into a power source to ensure it doesn't run out of battery during the update process. Once the update completes, your iPhone will restart, and any updates to FaceTime will have been applied automatically as part of the iOS update. Now you'll be ready to use FaceTime with its latest improvements, potentially even enjoying new features or performance enhancements. And there you have it, your FaceTime is now updated along with the rest of your iPhone. Thanks for following along, and enjoy connecting with friends and family with the peace of mind that your app is running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time.